Hello everybody, this is Srina. You're watching Rachel's Network. So in the previous video, we have seen profit and loss concept and what are the formulas of profit and loss. Today in this session, we are going to do the part 2 of profit and loss, in which we'll be seeing how to find profit percentage and loss percentage, that is its formula, as well as how to substitute the values in the formula and find the answer.
Hello, I am Bob and today I am very happy. I will tell you why. Because I bought a pen for rupees 20 and sold it to my friend for rupees 40. Guess what? I got a profit of rupees 20.
Therefore, in order to find the profit percentage, our formula will be profit percent is equal to profit divided by cost price, and because this is percentage, we will multiply it with 100. So as we have already seen in the scenario, that is the profit percentage formula is profit percent is equal to profit by cost price, that is CP, into 100. So profit percent, when we will find whenever a question is given, first thing what you have to do is write the given things and check whether the selling price is greater or the cost price is greater. If the selling price is greater than the cost price, then we know that it is profit. That means we need to find the profit percentage. So if the question is Ramesh bought a toy for rupees 1200 and he sold the toy for rupees 1500, find the profit or loss percentage. So let's first write the given things. So given is what? He bought a toy for rupees 1200. Bought means that is the original price. Therefore, that is the cost price. So cost price is 1200 rupees. And it is told that he sold that toy for rupees 1500. Therefore, sold means it is the selling price. Therefore, SP is what? 1500 rupees. So we have written what is given in this. So first step in this type of question, that is what you have to find is whether it is a profit percentage or a loss percentage. So first step is to check whether SP is greater or CP is greater. So in this we can clearly see that SP is greater than CP, and when the condition is SP is greater than CP, that means it is a profit, correct? And how to find profit? So profit is equal to, since SP is greater, we'll write SP minus CP, that is the bigger minus the smaller value. So in this case, which is bigger, SP is 1500 minus CP is 1200, which is equal to 300 rupees. Therefore, we got profit is equal to 300 rupees. So this percentage we have to find. So profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100. This profit we have already found. Now we have to find the profit percentage, which is our step 2. Therefore, profit percentage is equal to profit. What is the profit that we got? It is rupees 300 divided by, we should always divide, that is the denominator should always be the original price or the cost price. So cost price over here is 1200, and because we are finding the percentage, we have to multiply it with 100. So let's solve and check what will be the answer. So 0 gets cancelled. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, and 4 25 is 100. Therefore, we got profit percentage is equal to 25. That is, we got it as 25%. So see friends, it was so very easy. So whenever it is asked for profit percent or loss percent, this was a question on profit percent. Therefore, profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100. And how to find profit? We have to check whether the cost price is greater or the selling price is greater. If selling price is greater, that means it is profit, and we have to find the profit out of that, that is SP minus CP. We will get a value that we have to substitute in this formula, that is profit by CP into 100. And in case of this question, we got profit percentage as 25%. So now let's see the second scenario and a question on that.
Hey Bob, what happened? You look sad today.
Well, yes, I am, as one of the items in my shop was defective, and the customer paid me only half the price. I bought it for rupees 40 and could sell it for only 20. I had a loss today.
Here you might have noticed that he bought the item for rupees 40 and he sold it for rupees 20. Therefore, the loss over here is 20 rupees. So, how to find the loss percentage? It is similar as profit percent. That is, for loss percentage, we have to give loss divided by the cost price, then multiply it with 100 because we are finding the percentage. So let's now see a question on loss percentage. So the formula is loss percentage is equal to, because this is loss percentage, it will be loss divided by, denominator will be always cost price because we are always comparing it with the original price or the cost price. So CP, because it is percentage, we will give a 100 over here. Therefore, loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. So let's see a question. So if the question is, Ramesh bought a pen for rupees 1500 and sold it at a rate of 1200 rupees. Find the loss percentage or the profit percentage. So first let's write the given thing. So what are given is, he bought for rupees 1500. So this will be what? This will be bought. So it will be the CP or the cost price. So the cost price is rupees 1500 and he sold that for rupees 1200. So this is the selling price. Okay. First step is what? We have to find whether it is a profit or a loss. So how that we can find? By checking the SP and CP. So which one is greater in this case? We know that CP is greater than SP because what do we have? 1500 and 1200. Therefore, CP is greater than SP and therefore because this is greater, CP is greater means it will be a loss, correct? Therefore, what is the formula of loss? We have already seen in our previous video, that is loss is equal to bigger value in this is CP. Therefore, CP minus SP. So, value of CP is 1500 minus value of SP is 1200 rupees. So, which is loss is equal to 1500 minus 1200 is nothing but 300 rupees. So, there is a loss of rupees 300 it is told. So, now because it is loss, which percentage we have to find? We have to find the loss percentage. Therefore, step 2 is to find the loss percentage. So, loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. So, on substituting, loss is 300 divided by our CP is 1500 and because this is percentage, we will multiply it with 100. So, let's cancel and find the value. So, 0, 0 gets cancelled and we know 3 1s are is 3, 3 5s are is 15 and 5 2s are is 10 and we have a 0. Therefore, loss percentage is equal to 20%. See, again it was so easy. So, only difference in loss percentage and profit percentages, we have loss in the numerator and profit in the numerator. In the case of profit, denominator will always have the cost price, that is the original price, because we are always comparing our value with, to check whether it is a profit or a loss with the original value in which it was bought. So friends, I hope the concept was very clear to everyone. If not, please do mention in the comment box below. So meet you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.